Hi and welcome to the Techie Admin channel. I'm so glad that you've made it here today. Today's video is going to be about how to take an image and then select any of the colors in it so that you can take those colors and then replicate them in any of the other images that you're going to create out of it. So whether it be just simply doing something in Word or Excel or even a fancy design program like Photoshop, I will show you how to use the color codes in them so that you can easily replicate any of the colors that you see in any image. So when you work with designs, you frequently will need to find out what the exact color is of something. So maybe it's your company logo and you're coming up with some materials and you want to make sure that it's consistent with your company colors. So how would you find out what that exact color is? So I found this website called imagecolorpicker.com, and it's very simple. Once you go in there, you can upload an image and then all you have to do is click around in there and it will show you here the color codes. So in this case, this is the default image they already had. So if I click here, it will just keep changing to the different colors in that image. So let's say that I want to find out what the exact colors are of Microsoft Excel's thumbnail. So once I do that, I have uploaded it there now. So all I have to do is click on the green part and then it will give me this code. So this is the RGB code, and that's probably the most common one that I've seen. So the R is for red, G is for green, and B is for blue. So let's take these numbers down. So we have 32, 114, and 68. So if I go into a different application, say actually go into Excel, and I want to color code something very similar to that document color. So I would go in here and go into more colors. And then once you click on the custom button, you will see that it has the RGB code again, and you can actually put in the numbers as you wish. So in this case, let's put it back in the numbers we had. So we had 32 there, we had 114, and then we had 68 in here. So I'll hit OK, and that is the exact color from that logo that I got. So this is super, super useful, as I said, with logos, with any kind of company designs. So poke around. This is not the only application you'll find it in. You can also do this obviously with font colors. You can do this in Word and in just different Microsoft applications and design programs. So whenever you're looking for that, just go in to see if there's like a more colors, more options under the colors like menu, and then you'll be able to find the exact color that you're looking for. So because RGB is not the only code that is used, sometimes you need to translate one language of color coding to a different one. So there's another really neat website that I found, and it's called color-hex.com. And what you can do in here is you can type in the color in any of these languages and it will throw you back all the other ones. So in here, if you just hover over it, you will see that it gives you the format of how you need to type it in. So in this case, if we want to use the RGB code, we have to type in RGB space, one number, space, second number, space, and third number. So let's do just that. So we want to do RGB 32 space 114 space 68, hit enter. And as you can see here, it is giving me that color, and now it's giving me all the other options on like all the other color languages you could possibly imagine. If you scroll down, there's quite a lot to it. So this can be really helpful, once again, if some of the programs prefer a different kind of color code. So you can see that the one with the hashtag is the hex code, and RGB and HEX I think are the most common ones, but you could see other ones. So this would be a good translator, and you could just Google them. I'm sure this is not the only one, and see if you find one that really suits your needs. Thank you for watching this video today. I hope you found it useful and you can use it in your job right now. And if you did like it, hit thumbs up. Hit subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and definitely feel free to share any of these videos or this one in particular with any of your friends who you think would benefit from it. I would really love to be part of their journey of learning how to use these tips and tricks on all these different technologies. So feel free to share, and I will definitely super appreciate it if you do. So thank you in advance, and I will see you next week. See you.